Guys, this is 2007 Toyota Prius. So this one had a check engine light is on this car. We have to first scan the car, then have a look what's going on. So I scanned the car. I found this code P0420. The catalytic system efficiency below threshold bank 1. So I'm going to off the first injector. How it looks like injector inside. So I have to off this air filter cover. Check was the airflow sensor is dirty or not. It's a little bit dirty, this one. Should be this one also clean. Okay guys, here the injector rail. We have to off the injector connectors. And you can see the two 12mm bolts and I have to off. Okay. Okay guys, here the injector. So injector is not bad, it's all clean. So I put back the injectors. Okay, we check the data pattern of the O2 sensors, the bank 1, sensor 1 and 2. And okay, the ending RPM can up. So according to the paragraph, this oxygen sensors is normally working fine, so no any fault for the oxygen sensors. So we have to check for the catalytic converter. Maybe there was underneath the car. This is the number 2 sensor, and you can see here number 1 sensor. You can see the wire. Around the problem is catalytic converter is completely blocked. We have to replace this whole exhaust. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. See you in the next one.